If the expression above is rewritten in the form a plus bi, where a and I are real numbers, what is the value of a? So when you see a question like this, you have to know immediately what to do. And what you're supposed to do when you're using imaginary numbers and we're dividing by imaginary numbers like this is you want to multiply by the conjugate of the denominator. So here's the denominator. The conjugate is 3 plus 2i. And you want to multiply by 3 plus 2i over 3 plus 2i, because that basically equals 1. And you're always allowed to multiply anything by 1. Now, keep in mind, when you multiply fractions, of course, we have to multiply the top by the top and the bottom by the bottom. So we're going to have to do some FOIL action here, right? FOIL the top and FOIL the bottom. So I'm going to bring all of that down here to the bottom, and I'm going to do that one at a time. So the 8 minus I times 3 plus 2i is going to be 24. Oops, excuse me. 24 minus 3i plus 16i minus 2i squared. And that's going to all be over 9 minus 4i squared. All right, so I FOILed the top and I FOILed the bottom. Now let me combine like terms. The negative 3i and the 16i is going to become a positive 13i, so I'll cross that out. Now, whenever you see I squared, we have to know that I squared is equal to negative 1. That is an important fact. So wherever we see I squareds, we have to replace it with negative 1. So I'm going to rewrite the whole thing down here. So 24 plus 13i minus 2 times I squared, I'll put a negative 1 in there, over 9 minus 4 I squared is negative 1. And then when I complete the math, this is going to become a positive 2. This is going to become a positive 4. So I'm going to have, when I combine the 24 and the 2, right, it's going to be 26 plus 13i over, what's 9 plus 4? 13. And when I reduce that, it's going to be 2 plus I. That's my final answer. And remember, they wanted it in this form, a plus bi, and they want to know the a, which is the 2. So the answer is A.